Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you amazing mask for lightening and brightening your face and get rid of all skin problems. Of course, we have heard about how good a carrot is for our bodily health, including eyes and hair. But the fact that a great skin booster is something unheard of. We have been chomping down on carrots to avail hair benefits in various forms salads, vegetables, juices, etc. Now, let's put it to another use and apply it topically to see its magic work on our skin. Well, before starting to the recipe, I will talk about the benefits of carrot on the skin. Carrot contains beta-carotene, which reduces skin inflammation and promotes the renewal of new skin cells. Therefore, it's great for those with acne-prone skin. It comprises of vitamin A, which is an antioxidant. It protects the skin by limiting the production of free radicals, which can damage skin cells in the long run. It also contains vitamin C, which helps boost healthy collagen production for achieving firmer skin and further reduces the appearance of dark spots and other types of sun damage. It works great for oily skin and slows down the aging process. Vitamin E is also present in carrots, which helps in hydrating the facial skin. Potassium existing in this kitchen staple keeps the skin cells hydrated and moistured. If you are looking for a face mask that will help you to even out your skin tone, then this is the one for you. While honey has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which combat acne and breakouts, carrots renew the dead skin cells that result in reducing the appearance of the dark spots. Mixing lemon juice can help to pull out dirt and impurities, and olive oil can improve the hydration in your skin and fight symptoms of skin aging. Well, let's get started. Take one carrot and peel it. Then boil the carrot until they are tender, and after they have cooled down, mash them in a bowl. Now, add 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Mix in 1 teaspoon of olive oil, but if your skin is oily, then you may omit this step. Now, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and if you have dry skin, then you can use a lesser amount. Combine all the ingredients together into a slightly thick mixture. Apply the carrot mask on your face and neck, but avoid the eye and mouth area. Leave the mask on for about 25 minutes and rinse it with warm water and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use this face mask once or twice a week to achieve the desired result. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.